to solve this problem, we need to understand this notation means, what this really means. So when you see the z, I know we are talking about a standard normal distribution. Okay, the subscript 0.03 means the area to the right of this z value we are looking for. So this area is actually 0.03. So we want to find this guy. Different ways to do that. There are different ways to do that. One way is to use the table. The other way is to use the StatsCrunch. Oops. I'm going to open my StatsCrunch. In StatsCrunch, because we're dealing with normal distribution, so under the calculator, under stats, I choose calculators, and then I choose normal. And this is standard normal. How do I know that? Because letter Z is used. And you can see that the area shaded now is actually to the left, right? You should not be surprised because all the values shade under the shaded area, like these values, they are all the values less than or equal to 0. But that's not what we want. We want the area to the right. The notation was to the right. And then the area is 0.03. You absolutely want to make sure that this is area. You do not want to type 0.03 in here. So let's compute. And now this is the corresponding z value, 1.88. That's the z value, so that its area to the right is 0.03. So I'm going to type in this 1.88. Another way to do that is you can open the table. Okay, so let's take a look at the table. First of all, you do know that this is what we are looking for, right? We want to find a value so that the area to the right is 0.03, which means the area to the left is 0.97. 1 minus 0.03, that's 0.97. So this table says the table entries are the cumulative area from the left. So I need to, here I do know the cumulative area from the left is 0.97. So the question now is, let's look for the 0.97 from the table and then read backwards to find the z value. So I'm gonna scroll down, 0.97. I see it is somewhere here. 0.97 is somewhere here, right? So this value is the closest to the 0.97. This is not as close. So this is the closest one. So now when I read backwards, so this is how I read backwards. Z value is 1.8 and you read up, which is another 8. So that's how you get the 1.88.